Hey guys, I just finished with a group coaching call this morning and we were going over some foundational aspects of fundraising. And one of the things we talked about this morning was creating that clear and compelling message for our donors and potential donors. It is something that so many nonprofits overlook in fundraising. Think about when you are approached by an individual and they want to know what you do, what's going on, or tell me about your nonprofit. You have certain words that you say. Are they clear and compelling in your nonprofit's mission? Does it draw somebody in? Is it just, this is what we do? Is it just commonplace? You don't want to do that. You're trying to draw in donors. You're trying to raise more money. You want to keep the donors you have and remind them why they're giving, why they're supporting your mission. But you want to draw in new donors with clear and compelling messages. If you're not doing that, then you're falling flat in your foundational approach to fundraising. So think about your messaging where it's written or verbal. Okay? I'm Nancy Reeves. I provide nonprofit leaders with a roadmap to raise more money through major gives. Check out my link below to get your free plan.